This is Top Crypto Bull, here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest crypto news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is at $52,683, and it did get as low as $49,000 here on August 5th, right around 6 p.m., 6:24 p.m., right around there. Well, as expected, we did dip a little lower. I thought we were gonna double bottom at 56K, but you never know. I guess we went lower, but don't get shaken out. I do believe we're gonna bounce back up here pretty soon. We might chop around here in from 49,000 to 60,000 range for the next month, but eventually we will go higher. Now, only if we do go down below 44,000, then I would start to worry. But I don't believe that will happen. Right now, I have it on the daily time frame. Let's see what it looks like on the yearly time frame. See, still looking very bullish, guys. Still over the 50% from the low to the top of 74,000. 50% comes in right around like 44,000, right around there, from the low to the top of this cycle. So if we were to go under 44,000, then definitely ring the alarm, because I mean it might take longer to get into the bull run than expected. But everything is as expected. After the crypto halving, it does take about 4 to 6 months, of chopping around before we get Bitcoin price discovery. So the Bitcoin halving was around April 20th, and it's been about 4 months, almost 4 months. So we probably still got a little more chopping around, probably another 2 weeks, maybe a month or two. But eventually, I do believe we will break out this sideways chopping around in price, and we will get higher than $73,000 on Bitcoin. But again, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell Bitcoin or any crypto coin I talk about just because I say so. You guys do your own research and only invest the money you are willing to lose. Now, like I was saying, guys, we had a nasty dip here, on August 5th, and right now it's August 6th, and the price is looking right around 52,800, fluctuating right around there. But besides that, guys, I want to also give you guys my thoughts on some coins that are holding up pretty strong that might be a good buy right now. If you think the market's going to bounce, I would definitely think about buying these coins. If you think the market's going to dip lower, then maybe you want to hold some cash, some dry powder, and buy on the next dip down. Let me start off with Aerodrome Finance. Aerodrome Finance, one of the base coins, which basically is base's main dex, has been holding up really, really good. On the July 4th dip that we had last month, it got as low as 40 cents. But right now, on this dip, it only got as low as 53 cents. So that's pretty good. See? August 5th, it dipped all the way down to 53 cents. Right now, at the time of recording, it's at 56 cents. So definitely it's been holding. Let me go down to the monthly and show you that it did dip down as low as 40 cents here. Let me go to 3 months. See, here's the dip right here. See, it dipped down to 40 cents on July 5th of 2024. And so far, on this dip, most of the altcoins went lower than the July dip. But, Aerodrome Finance has only dipped to 53 cents. So it's been holding up pretty good. The chart's looking bullish. If we go to the all-time chart, oh no, let me go to the year chart. It looks better. Yep. See, it came out right around in February of 2024, and it's still, looking pretty bullish. I mean, the low was right around 8 cents. That's where it started off, and got as high as like $2.37, right around there, and still looking bullish. Right now we're at 56 cents, and like I was saying, on this dip we had on July 5th, it got as low as 40 cents, and then on this dip we had on August, right now, August 5th, it only got as low as 53 cents. So it didn't, I mean, it's staying bullish. It didn't go lower than the last dip, where most altcoins, their dip below the July price. So definitely, I recommend, if you're bullish on base and you like Aerodrome Finance, and you don't think we're gonna dip anymore, you don't think Bitcoin's gonna go lower than 49,000, I would definitely think about picking up Aerodrome Finance right now, because we could bounce back here anytime soon and get into higher prices. And you might think back, man, why didn't I buy Aerodrome Finance when it was at 56 cents? Maybe you want to wait a day or two, but I mean, me personally, um, I'm buying some Aerodrome Finance right now. I think it's a great price for a short-term trade. It's a good long-term hold. I mean, if you got in at 8 cents, definitely just keep holding, and I'm sure this will definitely it could definitely do like a 5 to 10x from the price right now, for sure. I mean, I think it could get anywhere around like $3 to $5 at the top of the bull run. Some people say it might even go to $8, but you never know. But I mean, that is the bullish case, is $8 and above. But for sure, I think you'll get anywhere between $3 and $5. Base is very bullish. It has high demand. People are using it. It is Coinbase. Aerodrome is Coinbase main DEX, and Coinbase doesn't have a coin, so I mean, everybody's buying up Aerodrome Finance. Got a lot of volume. Volume is what, 12.62 million. So that's pretty good right there. And let me go to the next coin. Next coin I was thinking, guys, was Jasmine. I know Jasmine did dip below the July 4th, July 5th price, but I still think it's a very bullish coin. Let's see here. See, on the July 4th, let me pull up the 3-month chart. On July 4th, it got as low as I believe it was 2100. Huh. Whoa, what happened here? Hold on a second, guys. I think my Wi-Fi connection is slow. I'm just waiting for it to load up here. Oh, there it is. Okay, like I was saying here. Alright, here's July 4th. See, the price got to like 1900, right around there. And right now on the July dip, I mean on the August dip right here, August 5th dip, it got as low as 1700. Here, let me go to the daily so you can see a little better. Yep, here it is right here. Yep, we got a right around 1700 right there. So I mean, it did dip like 200 points before below the July 4th price, but I mean, it is bouncing back. Right now the current price is 1810 at the time of recording, and I think it'll stay bullish. I don't think it'll go down lower than 1700, but I mean, you never know. Again, this is not financial advice. Anything could happen in the markets. There is no 100%, but that's just from what I'm thinking, my instinct, and just looking at the charts. I believe it'll keep going up from now. And let me see here. The next one I was thinking was ETH, guys. Now this one definitely dipped below the July price, but I mean, such a good price, you can't pass it up, guys. Here, let me just refresh that. I believe on the July 4th price, it did get like to somewhere around like 2900. Let me pull it up here. Okay, just waiting for the computer. And I know right on the August 5th price, it did dip to as low as like 2,000. Okay, here they pulled up. Here we go. July 4th, the last local low was right around 2,800, and right now the current low was right around like 2,100, basically like 2,000, 22,000, 2,100. So I mean, it did dip hard. It dipped, like somewhere around 700, 800 points below the July 4th price. But I mean, it is bouncing back up from the 2,000 price. It's already up 2,318, 2,318 at the time I'm recording. So I mean, it is Ethereum, and the ECTF is just came out, and I mean, Ethereum's not gonna crash to zero, guys. I mean, unless you believe Ethereum is gonna crash to zero, then I don't recommend you buying it. But if you believe in Ethereum, and I definitely think it's a good buy right now for a short-term trade. I'm sure this thing will be up to like 3,000 here in a few days or a week or two for sure. So I mean, I would definitely buy right now. Again, not financial advice, but definitely a strong coin, I think, to make some money on it right now. And I mean, really, also all the Ethereum betas would be good, like Jasmine, XCN, and you guys could look up all the Ethereum betas and definitely invest in those. I think those are gonna go up because of the Ethereum ETF. If you remember, when the Bitcoin ETF came out, it also went down for a couple weeks, but then it spiked up hard. So I think it's gonna happen about the same for the Ethereum ETF. Ethereum ETF just came out July 23rd, so probably the first 2 weeks it's gonna dip like it did right now. It dipped hard to 2,000, but the 2 weeks is almost up. Might be 2 to 3 weeks, maybe a month of low prices, but then it's gonna skyrocket up just like the Bitcoin ETF price did. So that's just my suggestion. But again, you guys do you guys. Um, Feel free to do your own research and only invest the money you're willing to lose, guys. And let's look at a coin market cap real quick. See what do a little market update. The time of recording, like I said earlier, Bitcoin price is 52,800 roughly. It did dip as low as 49,000 even just a few hours ago on August 5th, and right now it's August 6th, so it is bouncing back. Ethereum's at 23.26. Even BNB had a good dip, dip 15%. Current price right now is 446. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. The other nice strong altcoin I wanted to recommend buying if you guys were interested was Solana. Solana also is holding up pretty strong from the July 4th dip. Here, let me pull it up real quick, guys. Solana. Okay, Solana USD. Where are you, Solana? Let me put in Solana. There it is, Solana USD. I like using the Coinbase chart. Okay. Yeah, like I was saying, on July 4th, the Solana USD dipped down to like 121. Here, let me see. July 4th. See, right around 120, 121 was the low. It actually, double bottom on June 24th, also right around that same price, 121, 122. But yeah, July 4th was the lowest before this current dip on August 5th. Was right around 121, 120, right around there. But right now on the August 5th, let me put the daily chart up, make it easier to see. It did dip as low as 110, I believe. Yep, 110. So I mean, it didn't dip, that much lower than the July 4th dip, and it already bounced back to the 121. So I mean, it's pretty much that's the price it likes to be at. So I'm thinking it's going to bottom out right around this price right here at 121, and it just had that quick dip to 110. But I don't think it'll go much lower than 110. I think that was pretty much the local bottom, and I think it'll just bounce back up and go higher from here. I mean, unless you think Bitcoin's gonna, go lower than 49,000, then definitely don't look at, buying Solana for a short-term trade. Like of course, if you own Solana since $8 when it dipped to $8 in 2022, you're doing great. But if you're looking for like a short trade, Solana I think is gonna bounce back hard. It's been doing it. It already did it twice. So I think this will be the local bottom. It'll probably go up to like 150, 160, 170, and then it'll probably chop around between 120, 150, 160. For probably another 2 weeks to a month. Basically until Bitcoin goes into price discovery, and then all the altcoins will run. But yeah, I'm glad I remember. I almost forgot about Solana. I can't forget about Solana. So those are my top picks for strong coins right now, guys, for short-term trades. So that would be Solana, Aerodrome Finance, Jasmine Coin, and Ethereum. Ethereum, even though it did dip hard, I still think it is a strong coin. I mean, it's ETH. It's got the ETH ETF, so I think it's just trying to shake people out of ETH, and probably all the big companies, like Fidelity and BlackRock. They're just trying to bring the price lower so they could buy in as cheap as possible. So they did a good job of that. So they're probably buying up right now. They probably bought up at 2,000 price. So I mean, don't be fooled, guys. I think Ethereum is going to go up from here. So I think it's a great price still right now at 23.21. I mean, I think Ethereum could probably get to at least 10,000 this bull run cycle. Well, that's just a little crypto market update, guys. Oh yeah, before I forget, I was gonna go over the top 20 on the coin market cap. Okay, here we're BNB, Solana. We covered all that. Luckily, the stable coins are doing good. USDC is stable at $1. Tether 2, $1. So we're doing good there. We got Dogecoin, one of the channel's favorites, at 0.86. I mean, that's a great buy. Although it did dip below the July 4 low of 91 cents. I still think it's a great buy. I mean, it's the original meme coin. I mean, it didn't dip that much lower, so this might be also another strong coin. I mean, the July 4th low was 91.091, and this one only got to on this dip it got to 0.086. So if you like Dogecoin, this is another good strong pick to recover quickly and make some good money. I don't think it'll go lower than 0.86. Dogecoin is too popular and people just buy it up. It's the original meme coin, so it probably only has upside from right now. And let's see what else we got. Okay. No, not Cardano. I mean, if you like Cardano, that's great. It's a great buy, but I mean, I wouldn't consider it a strong coin. Okay. Avalanche. Avalanche is also a strong coin, I believe. It did go below the July 4th dip, but I mean, it is Avalanche. It's like Solana's little brother. So I mean, I also recommend getting into it right now. But the strongest ones I think is Solana, Aerodrome, Jasmine, and ETH. But let me just pull up the AVAX chart just to see what the price was in July 4th. The last big dip. I believe it was like $22 or $24. But let me pull it up to make sure. Okay, AVAX USD, Coinbase. Where are you, Coinbase? Here it is. Okay, just give it a second while it loads. Okay, it's loading. We'll pull up the 3-month. Okay, here July 4th. See, the last dip was July 4th, and it got to 21, like 21.82, basically around 21. And right now, let's pull up the daily to see what the current local low is. Let's see here. Alright. Just waiting for the computer. Yep. So here it is right here. I guess the current low is right around 1723, 1728, right around there. It's bouncing back up to $18. So I mean, even though, like I said, it is lower than the July 4th dip of $21. I mean, it's still not too bad. I mean, there's other coins who have dipped way lower than the July 4th dip. This current dip of August 5th. So I mean, I definitely recommend Avalanche. I mean, it's the top gaming um, crypto blockchain. It's got a lot of popularity. It's got a lot of liquidity, and I just think it's going to do really good this bull run cycle. J.P. Morgan has their own blockchain on it. It's a private blockchain, the Onyx uh, J.P. Morgan chain, not to be confused with XCN, which is also called Onyx, which I'm also bullish on, by the way. XCN is a Ethereum beta coin, and they just redid their white paper. They got like a layer 3 coming out on base. They got a lot of cool stuff that they're gonna do, and they're also gonna burn some coins. So I mean, if you're looking for some good ETH betas to invest in, Onyx coin is also pretty good. Here, let's pull up Onyx coin. Let's go to coin market cap. Let me see here. Onyx coin. Where's the search? Thanks for bearing with me, guys. Just looking for the search here. Here it is. Okay, XCN. Yeah, it's a good price right now. 1107, 1102. I mean, that's a steal. $1,100 will give you 1,000,000 coins, and I believe I mean, the all-time high was 18 cents. So if it just got up to the all-time high, let's say about 20 cents, I mean that's like $200,000 if you invest $1,100 on it right now. So that's definitely a good steal, and I believe it will, because it's got a lot of good backers. Visa is an investor backer in it. So is the Nasdaq. So I mean, you can't go wrong with it, guys. And the founders are co-workers of Algorand. And let me see, the local low of this was 1071 right now, but actually I saw it go as low as 1030. Yeah, I believe the local low was 1030. Let me pull it up on TradingView better. Gives you better numbers. Okay, let's look for XCN. Okay, let me pull up the Coinbase chart. XCN. Where's the Coinbase chart? Huh. No Coinbase chart. Alright, I guess I'll just pull up the Kraken chart. Okay. Whoa. Oh no, I'm not liking that. Here, let me pull it up again. I don't know what's up with this chart. It's not looking good. Hold on, there's gotta be a Coinbase. Whoops, XCN. Okay, here we go. Here's the Coinbase. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why I couldn't find the Coinbase chart, but here it is. Okay. See here, the low here was Yep, 1010. I thought it was lower than what CoinMarketCap said. So yeah, the August 5th low was 1010. So yeah, if you would have invested $1,000, you on that low, you would have gotten a million XCN coins. So that's a good deal right there. And I believe the cycle low is like 0007. And let's see what the low was in July 4th. See how good it did compared to that. It did dip lower than the July 4th low. The July 4th low looks like it was right around 1180, right around there. But I mean it's not too much bad. Just probably like like 10-15% less. But I mean I think it's a great coin because it's a ETH beta, and they're just redoing their white paper. They're like putting a layer 3 on base, and base is hot. I think anything on base is going to moon here eventually, guys. Once the the parabolic bull run kicks in. Aerodrome, Finance, all those base coins, XCN, um, Jasmine. I think all those are going to go parabolic. And and if you want like safety, you definitely got ETH and Bitcoin. And Solana, of course. I mean, another one of the channel's favorites, and AVAX. Well, guys, just wanted to give you a little update on the market. Just my final thoughts for today is don't be shaken out. Market makers just trying to make everybody sell so they could buy up everything cheap. The market is red, but I mean it's expected. Historically speaking, this is normal for a crypto cycle. All right, guys. Well, let's hope for the best. Hopefully, these low prices only last another few days or a week or two or a month at the most, and hopefully the bull run keeps going to the moon here pretty soon. All right, guys. Well, this is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.